Online shopping is booming everywhere, and Georgia is no exception. More and more Georgians are discovering the convenience and variety of online marketplaces. It's easy to see why. You can shop from the comfort of your home, any time of day or night. Plus, you can often find better deals online than you would in traditional stores. Whether you're looking for clothes, electronics, home goods, or anything else, you can find it online. And with reliable delivery services, you can have your purchases delivered right to your doorstep. No more traffic jams or crowded malls. One platform that's making waves in the world of online shopping is AliExpress. It's a massive online marketplace based in China that offers an incredible selection of products at competitive prices. Think of it as a giant online bazaar with millions of products just waiting to be discovered. AliExpress has something for everyone, from fashion and electronics to home decor and gadgets. You can find well-known brands alongside up-and-coming designers and manufacturers. And with its user-friendly interface and secure payment options, AliExpress makes it easy and safe to shop from anywhere in the world, including Georgia. Ready to start shopping on AliExpress? The first step is to create an account. It's quick and easy. Just head over to the AliExpress website or download the app on your smartphone. You'll see a button that says register or sign up. Click on it, and you'll be guided through a simple registration process. You'll need to provide your email address and create a password. You can also sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account for even faster access. Once you've created your account, take some time to fill in your shipping address and payment information. This will make it even easier to place orders in the future. Section 4. Finding your treasure. Navigating AliExpress like a pro. Now comes the fun part, browsing through AliExpress's vast selection of products. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to look for specific items. Or you can explore the different categories and subcategories to see what catches your eye. AliExpress also has a handy flash deals section where you can find limited time offers on a variety of products. When you find a product that you're interested in, click on it to learn more. You'll see photos, a description, and customer reviews. Be sure to read the reviews carefully to get an idea of the product's quality and the seller's reliability. You can also contact the seller directly if you have any questions. Section 5. From click to doorstep, ordering and receiving your AliExpress package. Once you've found the perfect product, it's time to place your order. Simply add the item to your cart and proceed to checkout. You'll be asked to confirm your shipping address and choose a payment method. AliExpress offers a variety of secure payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and e-wallets. After you've placed your order, you can track its status on your AliExpress account. You'll receive notifications about its progress from shipment to delivery. Shipping times can vary depending on the seller's location and the shipping method you choose. But rest assured, your package will arrive safely at your doorstep. When your package arrives, be sure to inspect it carefully before accepting it. If everything is in order, you're good to go. You've successfully navigated the world of AliExpress and scored some amazing deals. Happy shopping!